ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today I am going to deliver a speech on English language. We live in 21st century and this time is called the time of developed technology. Many people call this is the age of information and many changes are coming in society because of new technology. People should have the knowledge of English and I'm sure it will help you a lot in your life. In modern world, business are targeting at quality of employee and knowing English in one of those quality. If the person is good at English, he will have more chances to get a job and possibilities of promotion are even higher. English is commonly used language and understood by many people. Today's world, English is playing a very important role to develop the personality of a person. It is used in railway station, bank, airways, educational sector, private sector and medical. English is called the language of trade. Finally, I would like to say all professionals should have the good English speaking skills. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.